In the grand symphony of business, every note matters, and missing even one can lead to chaos. A chorus of challenges await those brave enough to step into the entrepreneurial arena from daily operation to marketing strategies. And without the right tool, the melody can quickly turn into cacophony. Enter Builderall, the conductor ready to orchestrate your business success. Imagine a Swiss Army knife of sort that can streamline your business, digital presence, marketing, and overall operation. That's Builderall for you. A comprehensive, all in one digital platform designed to harmonize every aspect of your business. With Builderall, you can create and host website with ease thanks to its intuitive and user-friendly website builder. It's like having a seasoned web designer at your disposal, ready to transform your vision into a reality without the hefty price tag. But Builderall isn't just about building antithetical, pleasing websites. It's about crafting digital experiences that convert visitors into loyal customers. With a sales funnel builder, you can guide your audience through a carefully designed journey from the first click to the final purchase. And let's not forget about the power of automation. Builderall's email marketing automation tool allows you to engage with your customers on a personal level without sacrificing your precious time. You can set up automated emails, follow up, and even segment your audience for targeted marketing campaigns. With Builderall, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a partner that can help your business reach new heights. It's like having a team of digital experts ready to work around the clock, ensuring your business doesn't miss a beat. In conclusion, Builderall is more than a platform, it's a game changer. It's the conductor that can bring harmony to your business, transforming the cacophony of challenges into a beautiful symphony of success. Whether you're building websites, creating sales funnels, or automating marketing effort, Builderall has got you covered. So why settle for less when you can have more? Why juggle multiple tools when you can have everything in one place? Make the smart choice. Choose Builderall because in the grand symphony of every business, every note matters, and with Builderall, you're always the key.